If you're tired of dealing with bathroom remodels that feel like a storm of problems, switch to Polymarm luxury panels and get showered with compliments. As a contractor, you work with homeowners who want an affordable solution to give their shower or bathtub a new and elegant look. You start the job, but then run into a shower of problems because of the panels you're using. If you're a homeowner yourself, you just want an updated bathroom that feels like a relaxing escape. But suddenly, you find yourself with a remodel that takes too long, costs too much, and is hard to complete. Now, you can avoid all these problems with Polymarm's luxury wall panels. Made of beautiful, luxurious material that's sure to please, they are also flexible and easy to install. Inspired by the rich look of natural marble, Polymarm has created an innovative luxury panel that is both beautiful and practical. Polymarm's panel coating makes it resilient against stains, fading, hard water buildup, soap scum, and mold, delivering a worry-free experience in the home. The luxury look of Polymarm means you can upgrade without upsizing your budget. As a contractor or homeowner, you'll love Polymarm's practicality. It's ultra-thin and lightweight, yet sturdy and durable, making it perfect for renovation projects. Polymarm is easy to carry, easy to cut, and easy to install. Our up-to-date designs fit all taste, with luxuriant choices of Arabescatus, Calcutta Gold, Classic Beige, Diana Real, Carrera, and Calcutta Gray. You'll be able to deliver beauty and class similar to natural marble for just a fraction of the price. Polymarm helps you improve a bathroom with no hassle. Get showered with compliments when you install Polymarm luxury panels in your next remodel. Contact us for a quote today.